We got some sun visor clips on an 8th generation Civic that need to be replaced. Let's get to it. This is what we're working on today, a 2009 Honda Civic LX. Alright, there's our sun visor clip right there. Not sure if you can tell, but it's definitely the wrong color. It should be gray like this, but it's more of a tan. The other one's the same way. I'm pretty certain that these are aftermarket. That's why the color doesn't match, and they don't hold these things very well. So that's why we're going to be replacing them today. All right, here are the parts we're going to be installing today. We're going with genuine Honda OEM. They're going to be the same part number regardless of if it's the left side or the right side. So there's your part number right there. Obviously always verify that it's the correct part for your application. This is going to be for this interior color, and a lot of times the last two characters are going to indicate what color it's for. So just make sure that you have the correct part number. So for this gray on this 2009 Civic, this is going to be our correct part number, and that's going to be our correct interior color. Alright, how about I demonstrate how to take the old one off using our brand new one here, because it can be a little difficult to see on the vehicle. So obviously it sits in the vehicle like that. Front of the vehicle's here, back of the vehicle's here. So when you're sitting in the seat, this is what you're going to be looking at right here. But we need to get to the back side where we have this little opening here. So we just need to take a tool, something like this, and just press this tab in. So if you can see, there's a little tab right there. We just need to press it in, and we just need to press it in far enough for it to release, and then we turn it 90 degrees, and then it'll drop out. So it's being held in by this little area right here and this little area right here. So that's why we have to press it and turn it about 90 degrees, and then these two tabs will clear, and then it'll pull out. We just got to be careful. There's not a lot of plastic right here, so if we press too hard, you will crack it and break it right here. So if you're going to reuse them, you want to be gentle. If you're not going to reuse them like me, I can just go to town and just press this in until it breaks, and I can just turn it and pop it out. So just depends on if you want to keep the old ones or not. Alright, hopefully you can see it. We'll just press in on that tab like so and turn it until it releases, and then we should be able to pull it straight out just like that. And even though I didn't use that much pressure, I still broke this old one. And you can see where the opening is keyed, so we just have to make sure that it matches like that, and it doesn't matter which way we put it in as long as it's either this way or the exact opposite. But we can just put it in like that and then just rotate it to the front, and you'll hear it kind of snap into place, and then it'll lock in just like that. Driver one's the same way. You can see we're locked in. We just press the rear and turn it like that. It wanted to go one way easier than the other, so it doesn't matter which way you turn it, but sometimes, like in this case, it was easier to go the other way. But in this case I didn't break this one, at least not too bad. No, it's still broken a little bit. It's definitely something where you want to use a little finesse if you don't want to break it, but this one's broken just like the other one. And the driver's side is exactly the same way. And the color matches perfectly. Let's check how it opens. Oh, that's so much better. And now this Honda's back to factory condition. We got factory Honda visors in here and factory Honda visor clips. Well, that's it for this one. Not sure if these are aftermarket clips or not. They look like it, but they might be factory ones. They're certainly the wrong color. And these would really grab the visors. Even though the new OEM ones, it would just grab onto it. And I was only like, you're going to rip things off. So I'm glad we got them replaced. Pretty easy fix. And as always, if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.